Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm doing this quick video. I found these wigs on AliExpress and I absolutely love them. I got them on sale. So I'm just showing you guys the unit. I got two of them. You'll see the second unit. I did go ahead and remove the combs at the top. I did not need that, and I did sew that elastic band on. As you guys can see, there is lace only where the part is, and I absolutely love it. It's low maintenance, it's easy to install. So I'm going to go ahead and just let you guys finish watching the video, and I will be talking toward the middle and the end of my video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this wig that you saw in the beginning of my video. I did get this wig off AliExpress. It was on sale, and I will be leaving out information in the description box below. I did not film myself installing this. It's pretty self-explanatory. So my other wigs, I ended up getting two of them. I'll go ahead and install that with you guys. So the only thing that I did was just literally cut the lace off, and I sewed an elastic band inside of the wig. And then I just put some foundation powder on my part. So this is the finished look of it. Just showing you guys. It's a really pretty wig. The braids are 30 inches and this hair is, I believe, a 1B30. Yes, a 1B30, really, really pretty. I did do dramatic baby hairs. Some people don't like dramatic baby hairs, but I did like it on this wig. And it also has these little baby hairs back here too, but I didn't do anything with those just yet, but they're really, really pretty. I actually like this. And then the lace was a little bit dark, so I did put a little bit of powder. That was probably the only con to this wig. The rest of it was all positive. It's braided neatly. The vendor shipped out right away, but it did take, because of the holiday season and of course the pandemic, it did take about 2 weeks to get to me, but I definitely didn't mind waiting. So this is the finished look. I'll just get up close so you guys can see. It's no longer on sale. The original price of this wig, don't quote me because I'm leaving the description box, but I think it was $80. So if you guys want it, I'll go ahead and leave it in the description box. Now, I'm going to be doing something else since this video is so short. I finally started getting these in. So I got this one and I'm going to be applying that to my skin. I did see a couple other YouTubers doing this, and this looks really realistic if you guys get up close. So I wanted to try it and see what it looks like. I'm going to be applying it just to my stomach area, just to see. Now, I haven't did this in a long time, you guys. Like, it's been since I was a kid. I have not used these. So I'll have to figure it out. But we definitely going to try. You guys, don't forget the goal is 1,000 subscribers. If you do enjoy my content and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and turn your post notification bell on so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video to my channel. So we're going to go ahead and do this really quick. Hopefully it's the same way. I know you wet it. I haven't did this in so long. I don't know if I wet the front side. Yeah, I think I do wet the front side, don't I? With these? Let me ask my son, because they kids, they know how to do this. Hold on. Pause it. Alright guys, so I had to stop for a second just to go look it up, make sure I was doing it right. So it said you're supposed to clean the skin, which is what I did, and then have a damp cloth. Apply it wherever you want. Let me see. Let me cut this little, I don't want this part right here. Hold on. Alright, so I'm going to be applying this whole tattoo. Put it wherever you want it. Oops, not there. Oops. Turn this way a little bit. Put it right here. This is where we're going to put it. I'm going to move my little shirt down a little bit. And then you're supposed to put the towel, a damp towel on it. Make sure it's all over. They said for 30 seconds after it's wet. Hopefully I did this right.
Towel could be whiter.
I don't think they want it soaked. Hers didn't look soaked. Okay. Now, I think it's all wet. Is it all wet? I can't tell. Let me just wet it. Make sure. Alright, I think that's it. I'm not gonna pull the whole thing up until I look. Oh, it's off. Cool. Cool, look. Oh, that's dope. I think I'm gonna get a real tattoo like this, y'all. I was thinking about getting my stomach tattooed. Now I'm for sure I'm getting my stomach tattooed. This is cute. Y'all see that? Get up close so they can see. It looks so realistic. Look at that. That is so freaking dope. That is so dope. Like, I'm for sure getting a tattoo now. I gotta let this dry, y'all. Once it dry, it's ready to go.
They say blot it a little bit with the...
It said what?
A little bit.
Like this?
Yeah, a little bit to make sure it sticks. Yeah.
This is so cute. And they said these can last like up to a week depending on which company, the company I ordered from. So hopefully it'll last. I think I am going to get a real tattoo like this because it's so freaking cute. And I love tattoos and stuff. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, this is the second unit that I got off of AliExpress. This is a 6/13/27. I love this color. It's so freaking cute. Now, the baby hairs, I just left it kind of how it was. I did trim them down a little bit. But with the other one, I really did my baby hairs. On this one, I went for more of a natural look. It does have the side baby hairs, just like the other one. And then it has the lace and it has this braid down the... It has this braid down the middle of my head. And it has just two jumbo like braids. So freaking cute. I did get both those wigs on sale. But they might have a sale after Christmas again. But the original price of the wigs, I believe this one was like $69. But I did get it on sale, you guys. So I will leave everything in the description box below. I do have some other stuff coming in. I'm going to be doing some installs on camera. I'm on this little braided trend. I guess I'm late for the trend or whatever. But I'm going to be doing a lot of these braided wig videos. They're easy maintenance. Slap it on. Do whatever. And this is glueless, you guys. All I did was sew an elastic band in the inside. And it has like a little adjustable strap. And then I did not remove the two combs up here, but I am going to remove it once I take this off. I just didn't have time to do it, but I did remove it off of the first wig that you guys saw. Both these wigs did come from the same vendor. Shipping took about 2 weeks because of holiday and, of course, Corona. So it did take about 2 weeks, but I definitely did not mind waiting. It's definitely worth the wait. I sewed the heck out of that elastic band. Like, you guys, this wig ain't going nowhere. Like, I learned a new technique how to sew it from ear to ear, and I'll show you guys how to do that in my next video. I just didn't have time to do it today, you guys. But no glue needed. Now, if you want to tack it down, you can, but not even needed. This thing will not budge. Like, it's on there. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bells so that you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video to my channel. And then also hello to all of my new subscribers and all of my returning subscribers. You guys, the goal, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. I'm going to keep saying that is 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel and turn that post notification bell on. Okay? All right, you guys, I will see you all in my next video, and I love you all. Bye.